Quantum Scrambler. We invented a new cipher that used quantum entanglement to encode the flag. Do you have what it takes to decode it? Connect here. Let's download the source code. All right. So we read flag.txt, we scramble it, we print that out. Scramble does something weird. We add to I-2, we append, kind of looks like a Fibonacci sequence or something weird. All right, well, let's try just running it. Okay, so it gives us a bunch of hex values. That's T, H, all right, I, S, I. Okay, so it looks like it's just taking the first and the last thing out of each of the elements in the list. Well, that doesn't seem so hard. All right. Grab that. Oh, that's really unfortunate. Okay, it's not giving me the full thing. Let's see if I can do it from the web shell. Great. Great, great, great. So get that. All right, so we have this long thing. Let's put that in the variable y. I'll say for x and y, print x of 0 and x of -1. So just the first and last thing in each spot. All right. That didn't really seem to work as well as I might have hoped. Got this. Let's see what this does. I'll copy that. Maybe like hex to ASCII. There's a 5 or something. Well, let's hope this is the whole flag. It's long enough. Oh, there it is. Python is weird. Let's see if that actually is the whole flag. I might have missed something there at the end. Why is it being this way now? it's back. Now we'll try our flag. Closing curly. Oh, that flag is incorrect. Rats. Okay, what happened to us? We have those 7Ds at the end. That was a 6-3, not a 6-5. All right, so 6-3, 7D, 7D. All right, that looks more promising. Let's give that a whirl. And there we go.